Do you want to know how to airdrop your token in Ethereum in only a couple of minutes and without coding? Then stick around because this video is for you. So guys, as I said, today I'm going to be showing you how to create an airdrop for your token in Ethereum in only a couple of minutes and without coding. As always, we're going to be using Smithii Tools. So the first thing we're going to be doing is selecting the website itself, which is tools.smithii.io. Next, we're going to be selecting the network in which we're going to be working. In this case today, we're going to be airdropping our token in the Ethereum blockchain. So we're going to be selecting Ethereum here. And now we're going to be selecting the wallet. In my case, I'm going to be using MetaMask, but select the wallet in which your token is in. Then for the airdrop itself, we're going to be coming here to the token multisender. That is the tool we're going to be using for the video. Okay guys, so we're here. This is the tool itself. As you can see, it is very simple to use and we'll have the airdrop done within the next few minutes. The first thing we're going to be doing, guys, is selecting the token address. Here, of course, you put your token address. This is mine. And now we're going to be adjusting the amount of tokens we're going to be sending per transaction and per wallet. In my case, I want to send 1,000 tokens to each wallet, so I'm going to be selecting here 1,000. And now the next thing we're going to be doing is adding the wallets themselves to the software. So you can add that either importing a document, CSV, or manually. I'm going to be doing it manually because I'm just going to be adding 2 wallets for the sake of the video, but if there's more, it may be a bit more comfortable for you guys to import them with the document itself. To manually add the wallet, what we're going to be doing simply is copying the address here and add, and as you can see, it's here. I'm going to be doing that again with the second wallet, which I'm going to be airdropping a token to, which is this one. Again, copy, paste, and add. As you can see, it's very simple to use. It takes a couple of minutes only. And here's the amount of wallets we are going to be airdropping the token to. In my case, it's these 2 only. And as you can see, it does the calculations for you. In my case, I'm going to be using only 2 wallets, and I'm going to be sending 1,000 tokens per wallet, which makes a total of 2,000 tokens. Then, of course, once you're finished, you're going to be airdropping the tokens themselves, so you're going to be clicking on Start Airdrop. But before that, just check the price. It's pretty much free. There's only a small fee per transaction. In my case, as that's the only thing I'm going to be doing, I'm only going to be airdropping this to 2 wallets. I'm going to start the airdrop and everything will be ready within the next few minutes. Okay guys, we're back now, and as you can see, it's only been a couple of minutes since we hit that click button and the airdrop is now completed. We've got 2 transactions here, as you can see. We made 1 transaction for 1,000 token and another one with 1,000 tokens, and the total was 2,000. So the airdrop has been complete within basically 2 minutes. As you can see, it's very simple to use, also very cheap. So as you can see guys, it's very simple to use. You can do it pretty much for free. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.